Episode 24 of The Still Point. Hello and welcome. Wherever you are, however you're feeling, I invite you to pause, to arrive, to soften. Today's episode is called The Still Point. That moment between movements, between breath, between decisions. It's easy to overlook. In a world that rewards speed, visibility, and action, stillness can feel like absence. But in Tai Chi and Qigong, the still point is where everything begins, and where everything returns. The wisdom of the pause. In movement, the still point is not empty. It's full of intention, of awareness, of possibility. It's the breath before the gesture, the silence before the word, the space where choice lives. When we practice, we learn to feel it. Between the inhale and the exhale, between the shift of weight, between the rise and fall of the arms. It's subtle, but it's powerful. Managerial reflection, the pause that leads. In organizational life, we often rush from one task to the next. One meeting, one message, one decision. But what happens when we pause? A team leader once told me, "The best decisions I've made came after a moment of silence. Not hesitation, not delay, just space to feel, to think, to let the noise settle." For non-managers and informal leaders, the still point is even more vital. It's where influence begins, not with authority, but with clarity. When you pause before reacting, you shift the energy of a conversation. When you breathe before responding, you invite trust. When you wait before deciding, you allow wisdom to surface. Stillness in practice. Yoga Nidra. There's a practice that embodies the still point in its purest form. Yoga Nidra, the yogic sleep. It's not movement. It's not effort. It's guided rest. A journey through body awareness, breath, and deep inner stillness. In Yoga Nidra, we lie down. We let go of doing. And we enter a state between waking and sleeping, where the body rests, but the mind remains gently aware. It's a powerful complement to Tai Chi and Qigong, because sometimes the deepest transformation happens not when we move, but when we surrender. If you've never tried it, today might be the day. Even 15 minutes can restore clarity, calm the nervous system, and reconnect you to your center. Real-life experience. A pause in the middle of conflict. In a customer service team, tensions were rising. Deadlines were tight. A mistake had been made. Voices were getting louder. Then, one team member, not the manager, simply said, "Let's take a breath before we continue." And she did. She closed her eyes. She breathed. And slowly, others followed. The tone changed. Solutions emerged. No one had planned it. But that pause became the turning point. Practice invitation. Today, in your Tai Chi or Qigong, explore the still point. Pause between movements. Feel the breath settle. Notice the silence. Let it speak. And if you can, gift yourself a moment of Yoga Nidra. Let your body rest. Let your mind float. Let your awareness return to the quiet place within. Closing thought. The still point is not a break from life. It's the heart of it. In movement, in leadership, in love, the pause is where presence lives. Insight for next episode, the gentle push. Next time, we'll explore the gentle push, that moment when stillness becomes motion, when clarity becomes action, when a soft word, a small gesture, or a subtle shift changes the course of a conversation, a project, or a life. Because not all leadership is loud, and not all impact is immediate. Sometimes the most powerful force is the one that moves without force. Until then, breathe deeply, move softly, and rest in the stillness.